In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or detach a component in Figma, best method. Before we start, make sure you're signed in and ready to work on the right file so you don't accidentally remove something from the wrong project. First, open the Figma website in your browser. If you're already logged in, you'll see your recent files. If not, sign in and head straight to your drafts or team project. The key thing here is to get into the actual file where the component you want to remove lives. Next, open your design. This could be a page inside a larger file or a standalone file. Take a moment to let everything load, and if you're working with multiple frames or pages, navigate to the exact frame that contains the component you want to remove. It helps to zoom in and use the Layers panel to understand the structure, especially if your design is complex. Now, select the component you want to remove. The easiest way is to click it directly on the canvas. If multiple layers are stacked, hold Command on Mac or Control on Windows and click until the correct layer is selected. You'll know you have the right item when the right-hand sidebar updates with its properties, and you may see that it's an instance of a component. You can also confirm in the Layers panel to be extra sure you're targeting the correct element and not a group or a background shape. With the component selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. This removes that component instance from your design. If you remove the wrong thing, don't worry. Press Undo to bring it back. This action only deletes the instance on the canvas. It does not remove the original component from your library or assets, so other instances will remain intact. A few quick tips as you do this. If the component seems locked, check the Layers panel and unlock it first. If you want to remove several components at once, Shift-click to select multiple instances before pressing Delete. And if you're on a laptop where Delete behaves like backspace, use the dedicated Delete key or function plus backspace, depending on your keyboard layout. For clarity, removing a component like this is different from detaching an instance. Detaching breaks the link to the original component, while deleting simply removes it from the canvas. In this walkthrough, we're focusing on cleanly removing the instance you no longer need. That's it. Open Figma, open your design, select the component, and press Delete to remove it safely and quickly.